Okay, so this is a quick one. Don't blink, you might miss it. This is a breakdancing move called an air kick out. So it's a variation of a regular kick out. And with the regular one, the heels would touch down on the floor before you draw them back in. But an air kick out is an explosive movement. You rapidly kick the feet out and draw them back in. The feet don't touch the ground. So giving a front view, there's a few ways you could do this one. You could kick the feet out so that the legs are close together. You could kick the legs out wide. Or you could also do a little twist as you do the kick out. Returning to a side view. So in the base position, you're in a toe balance. One hand will come behind you with the fingers pointed backwards. So this arm's going to support you as you kick the feet out. And while you're kicking the feet out, it'll also help to think about kicking them upwards a bit, because that'll give you a little bit more air, a little bit more time to draw your feet back in. Let's try that again. And going wide. Now I think the key to the air kick out is to trust that your body is going to be able to support you in this move, and to believe that you're going to be able to do it. Really, you won't know if you're going to be able to do the move unless you try, as with many other movements. Now starting off though, I would suggest attempting this on a softer surface, so maybe a grassy lawn, or you could also do it in your bed. And maybe you're one of those energetic morning people. When you wake up in the morning, you just want to kick your sheets off. Like, yeah, you jump out of bed and you're ready to kick ass. But anyways, it's a fun move, enjoy it. And if you post any videos, tag me in it. I'd like to see how you do with this one.